Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Lava token, the Vulcan forged token. Ticker symbol is Lava. This token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, November 17th. It got listed on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Vulcan forged ticker symbol Lava token in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Vulcan forged token. So Vulcan Forged is a blockchain business encompassing Elysium, a layer 1 blockchain tailored towards artificial intelligence, metaverse, game, and NFT projects. So this token, the Lava token, just got listed today on a central exchange called Mexc Global. It got listed today, November 17th at 9 o'clock UTC time on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Lava, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So they have a couple different tokens in this ecosystem. One is ticker symbol PYR. Another one is Lava. Vulcan Studios, an established blockchain game development team, is building an ecosystem of PC and mobile Web3 games. And Metascapes, a metaverse as a service MaaS system, providing the building blocks wrapped in a user-friendly interface. As of the second quarter of 2023, Vulcan Forged has a large growing community and top 5 NFT marketplace volume. Formed in 2019 by a team of two as Very Arty, a digital art and NFT marketplace, Vulcan Forged has grown exponentially since then and now employs the contracts of over 130 people worldwide. Vulcan Forged is dedicated to the blockchain space, building on strong foundations to bring the best of blockchain technology. Vulcan Forged operates a dual token economy through the use of PYR, the primary token that powers the ecosystem, and Lava, the gaming token that can be earned through playing the ecosystem of blockchain-based Web3 games. Some of the games, specifically Vulcanverse, has specific terminologies and can be understood in more depth by visiting the main community hub on Discord, the websites, or any of these social media channels. So the Discord and Twitter are both at Vulcan Forged. They have another Twitter, Vulcan Studios HQ, and they have another Twitter, Elysium_VF. And then their websites, vulcanforge.com, metascapes.com, and elysiumchain.tech. So they have the problems and the solutions that Elysium Blockchain, Vulcan Studios, and Metascapes solves. They can be found on their white paper, which you can find at vulcan-forged.gitbook.io. So Vulcan Forged is also building Metascapes, a metaverse builder designed to make it easy for anyone to build their own virtual world. With its user-friendly interface and intuitive design, Metascapes will allow anyone to create their own metaverse without the need for extensive technical knowledge or programming skills. Vulcan Studios are presently, as of August 2023, working on virtual reality version for the MetaQuest series of headsets. So that should be on the way. So they're building blockchain MMORPGs with NFT land and character ownerships. So much stuff going on through here. Now they have tokenomics too as well. So the PYR token, that one can be used for staking, gaming utility token to power the entire Vulcan Forged ecosystem. That one has a max supply of 50 million tokens. Currently circulation 28 million. So the PYR use cases, that one can be used for NFTs in the marketplace, staking, upgrading land, sowing, holding in MyForge for lava generation, soft locking and burn for sowing seeds, NFT farming, IDO access, purchasing Berserk subscription passes and friendly passes, which will allow players to access in-game features and lava earnings, purchasing Berserk season passes. And then we get to the lava token. So this is the new token being listed here on Mexc Global with a supply capped at 1 billion. It was previously unlimited, but now they've capped it. Circulating supply about 50 million tokens as of Q2 2023. Lava is often referred to as the lifeblood, the bread and butter of the ecosystem for a good reason. Now, you can. There are several ways to earn lava tokens. You can hold PYR on MyForge, XP from playing games, adding liquidity on Elysium swap. There's burning mechanisms. So NFT seed activation burn mechanisms. When users activate NFT seeds on the Vulcan Forged platform, the burning of lava tokens is required as part of the process, so it makes it more scarce. But the use cases for lava is upgrading land, purchasing consumables in the game, upgrading Vulcanite stats, activate NFT seeds, unlocking game features in different Vulcan Forged games, staking on Elysium swap, purchasing in-game assets, upgrade gods, and enter tournaments. So basically you can check out tons of information on all the links that I just named earlier. And you can find this lava token newly listed on Mexc Global. So like I said, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.